Most Google ads don't fail because of budget, they fail because of boring ad copy. Your ads are competing against three other advertisers on the same page, and if your copy sounds like everyone else, you are simply invisible. If you are new here, so I am Iram, and today I am going to show you exactly how to write Google Ads copy that gets clicked and conversions in 2026. So here is what we will cover in this video. 1. The 2026 ad copy rules most people do not know about. Number 2. A step-by-step formula for writing killer headlines and descriptions. Number 3. The mistakes that silently destroy your click-through rate. If you are new here, I post Google Ads tutorial every week. Subscribe so you don't miss any. So let's get into it. So first thing first, you need to understand how the algorithm actually works in 2026. It is not the same as 2 years ago. So right now, responsive search ads RSAs are the only text ad format in Google search. You give Google's up to 15 headlines and 4 descriptions. Google's AI then mixes and matches them to show the best combination to each searcher. Here is what the algorithm looks at every time your ad enters an auction: the search query, the user's location, their device, time of the day, their past behavior, thousands of signals. So, your job is not to write one perfect ad. Your job is to give Google a toolkit of strong headlines and descriptions so it can build the right ad for the right person at the right moment. So here's a pro tip. You should aim for 8 to 10 headlines and all 4 descriptions. Don't stuff in 15 weak headlines just to hit the max. And every headline needs to pull its weight. So here's a mistake you should avoid. Don't repeat the same message across multiple headlines. So if 3 of your headlines say all best services in town, so you have a wasted slot. Now, here's the formula I use for every client at Fuel Digital. I call the 5 bucket system. You break your headlines into 5 categories. So, a bucket number 1, keyword match. 2 to 3 headlines that includes your target keywords. This boosts ad relevance. One of the 3 parts of quality score. For example, professional Google Ads management. A bucket 2, a benefit driven. 2 to 3 headlines focus on what the customer get, not what you do, what they get. Example, get 3 into more leads this month. Bucket number 3, social proof. 1 to 2 headlines with numbers, ratings, or credibility. For example, trusted by 200 plus businesses or 5-star rated agency. Bucket number 4, urgency or offer. So 1 to 2 headlines that creates action. Example, limited spots, book your free audit, or you can say like save 20% this week only. So, bucket number 5, differentiator. 1 to 2 headlines that separate you from competitor. For example, a no long-term contracts or a result in 30 days or your money back. So, when you fill all 5 buckets, Google has real variety to work with. It can show a keyword heavy version to someone searching with high intent. It can show the social proof version to someone comparing options. So that is how RSAs are supposed to work. And here's a pro tip you should follow. Write each headline so it makes sense on its own and paired with any other headline. So read them out loud in random pair. If they sound weird together, you should rewrite. So, your descriptions are where you close. Headlines grab attention, descriptions give the reason to click. You get 4 descriptions, each up to 90 characters, and here is how to use them. Description number 1, expand on your biggest benefit. Be specific, not something like this: we help businesses grow. Instead, you can say, like, our clients see an average 40% drop in cost per lead within 60 days. Description number 2, you should address the objection. What is stopping them from clicking? So you can handle it. For example, no contracts, no setup fee, cancel anytime. Description number 3, it should be something like a call to action. Tell them exactly what to do. So, for example, get your free Google Ads audit today. Takes 2 minutes. Description number 4, add a secondary benefit to reinforce trust. Google partner agency with certified specialists managing your account. And here's a mistake you should avoid, like, you should not write a vague description if your descriptions could work for any business in any industry. So it is too generic. Make it specific to your offer. So here is something most advertisers miss. Your ad copy directly affects your quality score, which affects how much you pay per click. Quality score has three parts: expected click-through rates, ad relevance, and landing page experience. Two of those three are about your ad copy. If your headlines match the search's intent, ad relevance goes up. If your ad is compelling enough to earn clicks, expected CTR goes up. And when quality score goes up, your cost per click goes down, in some cases by 50%. So writing killer ads is not just about getting more click, it is about paying less for every click you get. So that is the double win. So here's a pro tip you should follow. After your ads run for 2 weeks, check the column menu, ad quality score, and look at which keywords have low ad relevance. Rewrite the headlines in those ad groups to better match those keywords. So here's the last step. Your ad copy does not stop at headlines and description. Ad assets are also here, what used to be called extension. And now this is the part of your ad, and they affect your ads performance as well. So at minimum, add these four site links. They give people more places to click. Call out assets, short phrases like free consultation or 24/7 support. Structured snippets highlights categories like services, type, or brand, and call assets if you take phone calls at your number. Google consider your ad assets when calculating ad rank. More assets mean more real estate on the search page, and more estate means higher CTR. So here's a common mistake you should avoid: setting up assets once and forgetting them. Review them every month, update them with the new offers, seasonal messaging, and fresh proof points. So here's a quick recap of this video. Number one, RSAs are the game in 2026. Give Google strong, diverse headlines using the 5 bucket system. Two, write descriptions that handle objections and driven action, not generic fluff. Number three, a better ad copy means higher quality score, which means lower cost and more conversion. So if you do these three things, you are already ahead of 90% of the advertisers. So if this video helped you, subscribe. I post Google Ads tutorial every single week. Drop a comment below. What is the biggest struggle you face when writing ad copy? I read every single comment. And if you want to go deeper on RSAs, watch my video on responsive search ad best practices. I will link it right here. See you in the next one.